So Kotlin when expression. The when expression is just like your switch case in C, C++ and Java. Look at the simple example. So we have a variable ch which is assigned with capital A. When ch, just like switch within brackets, you need to specify some expression. Here it is when within brackets. Instead of case and break, we don't use case and break here. But look at the notation clearly. Capital A, look at the arrow marks. If the value matches with any of the specified statements, then the concerned println will be executed. So if your ch is capital A, automatically the control will be transferred to the statement which is specified under capital A. Else is a consonant. So as A, E, I, O, U, all the vowels are giving the same output like all are vowels. So look at that code. When ch a comma e comma I comma o comma u and println it is vowel. So this is advantage here. Instead of writing each and every time println, you can separate them using commas. So we can use ranges in when expression. Look at that. When within brackets we have num. In we are using in for the first time. So in look at the range 129, 10 to 99, 100 to 999. If the value matches with any of the ranges specified, the concerned println statement will be executed. Otherwise, we have an else here. So you are checking for a number single digit or 2 digits or 3 digits or more than 3 digits. So we used in here. So we can also perform operations, arithmetic operation inside the when expression. Look at this. When age in 1 to 17, num is equal to 18 minus age. So we can also perform operations on the variable. So I'm giving a few more examples here. As we already discussed in ovals, combine two or more branch conditions with a comma. Look at that. When n 1 comma 2 comma 3, if n matches with either 1 or 2 or 3, then n is a positive number less than 4. That println will be executed. Look at that 0. If it is 0, we have println. If it is minus 1 and minus 2, we have another println. To check whether a value is of particular type in runtime, we can use is and not is operators. Look at that. When x is int, so print x plus 1. Is string, something x dot length plus 1. Is int array, then x dot sum. So you can check for a particular type in runtime. Based on the type you can perform. We can use an expression as branch condition. Look at that. When n cat within double quotations, if it is matches, then you get println. So we have 12 dot toString, a dot toString. So we can use expressions like this. So we have few more examples. The else branch is mandatory sometimes. So we have examples here. Enum class color. So we have red, green, blue. When get color, so if it is red, color dot red, println red, color dot green, color dot blue. So else is not required because all the cases are covered. We have red, green, blue, individual cases. Look at another one here. So color dot red, println red, else println not red. So we don't have statements for green and blue. We are just checking the color. If the color is red, there is a println statement. If the color is not red, then automatically the statement which is specified under else will be executed. Not red. So in these cases, we need else. As we already discussed, to define a common behavior in case of multiple cases, we need to use with comma. Look at that 1x, 0 comma 1. If it is either 0 or 1. So we can also use arbitrary expressions as branch conditions. Look at that s dot toInt. So look at this example. We can also check a value for being in or not. Look at that. In 1 to 10, x is in the range. In valid numbers, not in 10 to 20. So look at another example. When x is string and you are checking for starts with, if x dot starts with,